back to another video. Today the reason why I'm up in the sky is because look at this. We're at the campsite right now. It rained for a few minutes and lightninged and all that stuff. And now it ended up like this. The campsite ended up like this. I don't know how much rain we just got, but there's a lot. Just look how much water there is. Just look. It's a lot of water. I'm serious. If you came here in real life, there would be so much water, but it would be dry by the time if you wanted to come. And we did ride our bikes. Me and Steven did. We rode our bikes down here. It was hard for me at first, but then I started getting to it. So yeah, there's like pieces of paper right there. There's not as much as water over here, but then there is on the road. There isn't any water over there. They are so lucky. They are so lucky over there. We got water. We have gotten water. What? I think they quit. What? Okay. There's an empty campsite, guys, if you want to come. There's an empty campsite. It's mostly rained up. Bro, there's not as much as water over here. There's like no water over here except this much. But till it gets over there, it's like so much water. Not really, but still. When you get oi, there's a truck behind us.
Yeah, you're gonna pull into that spot.
Okay.
I think his bus stop should be coming this way, turn and go like that.
Probably. Another truck. Wait, is he turning this way? Yep. Yep. No, they're leaving.
No, they're not. He's going to go in right there. Back up.
You just start turning like that.
Yeah, it's probably backing in.
Oh yeah, now I see. Okay. There's a dog barking. I think they're barking at us or another person. Oh wow, a skateboard in the water. Not really in the water, but okay. So it's gonna. There's the sound, guys.
You see the rainbow? It's still raining.
There's the sound, guys. There's the sound. Seagulls. There's the sound right there. It's not the ocean, it's the sound. The ocean's back that way. Going to the sound, getting some sand on my feet. I don't know why. What? Oh, I don't have shoes on. Okay, we're gonna look in the sound, guys. I'm gonna show you what the sound looks like. It's sunset right now, so it's pretty late. Not really. There's some golf carts over here. Now there is stuff you want. Now the wind isn't blowing right now, so I can like throw sand into it. I'll show you the sound. Okay, I'm just gonna throw like this much. This is the sound, guys. See how deep it is. The sound. There's like a rock, or not a rope, a rope. And people are fishing here. There's rocks down there if you can't see them. Wait. Oof, I just saw something moving. It's like boards everywhere. The sound just goes all the way out there until the ocean.
It's not the ocean.
I know, I said the sound goes all the way out there till the ocean. So, yeah, I could just stick. Yeah, I can't reach it. So, I mean, if I was able to jump on that other board, then I would be able to, but there's another board down there. Yeah, that'd be hard. Okay, let's go. Let's go over here. Oh, other sand dune, a little one. Okay. Ow! I stepped on a shell. Ow! I keep stepping on shells. Another dog. Okay, so going back down here. This is gonna dry my feet off a little bit, not dry, but wet my feet a little bit. I was like, what is that? What was that noise? I'm pretty sure it's flooded down there. I don't know if it is, but it might be flooded down here. Yeah, it is flooded down here. This is the way back to the... Yeah. It's...
Oh, truck's turning. Get out of the road.
That's the same truck we saw. No, it didn't turn. So... Okay, I'm gonna get in the water. Okay. Pretty sure I don't wet this. I hope I do not wet this. It's like wet all the way out there. Steven, do you wanna go? Do you want to go to that empty campsite? It's like flooded all the way over there. I think that guy moved because of the water. Look at the waves. I'm just covering my feet. Look at the water over there. Like, theirs is just kind of flooded. Their driveway is kind of like flooded. Look, there's a bag. I can see it. There's a bag in there. See, there's like a bag over there.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, look at this sand. It's all wet. Sand's all wet. Okay. Okay, big waves. Much bigger. What? Okay. Okay. Wait, what is those?
These guys are underneath those chalk things for your camper.
What? Jeez. Okay.
I think these are yours.
Oh, thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you. Saved me a trip over.
Okay. It's mostly like flooded everywhere. Jeez. So much water, guys. There's so much water. Like, you see it splashing, you know. You might see it splashing. There's just so much water. Wait, there's a cold spot?
Warm right here and cold right here.
Oh yeah, it does. Probably there was like warm water and cold water at the same time. I'm pretty sure. It's just... You wanna like go back over there? Or... Yeah, I wanna show everybody what it looks like over there. Okay, guys, so we're heading behind there. We're heading behind there, behind our campsite. And it's not flooded over here. It's pretty crazy how it's not even flooded over here. The sand over here is kind of fine. Not really. My feet are starting to itch because of the grass. Okay, there's people riding their bikes. You can tell from the screen there, right there. People riding their golf carts too, and they're making a big splash. Ew. Jeez, there's so much rocks. There's so much rocks. Why is there so many rocks here? Probably. Okay. To go over here, it's not. What? Jeez, there were so much rocks. Okay. Get in here. There's like sand. Ugh. Okay. Get my shorts wet. I don't care. Okay, this sand is really soft now. Okay. Ow. Okay, mostly. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.